Good evening viewers, here is the new Moon Nebula rear light that I have purchased today. As you can see, the contents of the box comes with various different clips. So you have here a belt clip, so if you want to clip it onto your backpack or onto your belt. This is for the seat post, so it will actually wrap round for an aero post or just a normal round post. Then you have the two clips here and here to fix it on. And this one fits onto the underside of your saddle, so this will go on the seat rails. And you just have the clip on here, so you can either have the light vertical or horizontal. You then have the charging cable here as well, which will run off of a USB down to a micro USB to actually charge the units. Here itself is the unit, so very sturdy. You have a machined outer case on it, and you have the clip on here, which is say you can have it horizontal or vertical. In the back here is your charging port, which is a little micro USB, and you've got a waterproof cover that pops on there. Then for activation, you just give it a simple click on here. So that's on the mode that I've got at the moment, so you've got the all time running light and then the flashing and strobing. Another click and you'll get into another flashing mode. One more click and another. Strobing effect, and then back round to there. If you give it a double click, that will then go onto the constant beam, which you'll see will get brighter and brighter and brighter with every click, then eventually go down to the lowest setting. And if you push and hold, that will then go down to off position. So we'll install the light on the next video and show you how it looks. Hope that's a good informative video, and I hope you've enjoyed viewing it. Thanks viewers, bye.